Hi students, welcome to our channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In the previous video we have learnt the comparing fractions, in that comparing like fractions. Now in this video we are going to learn the comparing unlike fractions. Comparing unlike fractions means in the given fractions are unlike fractions, means the denominators are not equal. Then how to compare the two fractions and say which fraction is greater than and which fraction is less than. Now let us take the comparing unlike fractions. Comparing unlike fractions. So unlike fractions means the denominators are not equal. So first let us check two fractions, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 5. With the same numerators here, but denominators are not same. These two fractions are unlike fractions. Denominators are not equal, but numerators are equal. Now let us take two rectangles. So in the first rectangle we divided into 3 equal parts, and the second rectangle is we divided into 5 equal parts. And here first rectangle, one part is shaded out of 3 equal parts. This represents 1 out of 3. And the second rectangle, one part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. That represents 1 by 5, 1 out of 5 equal parts. Okay. Now if you compare the shaded portions in these two rectangles. Now this shaded part is more than this shaded part. So the shaded part, in the first rectangle is larger than the second rectangle. So the shaded part in the first rectangle larger than the second rectangle. That is here 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. So now when two fractions are different denominators and they have the same numerators, so whatever the fraction with lesser denominator is more than the fraction with the larger denominator. So here also when the denominators are not equal and the numerators are equal. So when the numerators are equal, the fraction with the larger denominator is lesser than the fraction with the smaller denominator. Okay. Now if you compare other two fractions. For example 2 by 17 and 2 by 11. So here also these two fractions are unlike fractions, but their denominators are not equal and numerators are equal. So if you observe the numerators are equal, then how to compare the unlike fractions? So when the numerators are equal, then we should compare the denominators. So whatever the fraction with denominator is lesser than the fraction with smaller denominator. We should compare the denominators. So whatever the fractions with the denominator is lesser than the fraction with the smaller denominator. That is, so 2 by 17 is less than 2 by 11, or 2 by 11 is greater than 2 by 17. Okay. 2 by 17 is less than 2 by 11, or 2 by 11 is greater than the 2 by 17. So in this way we can compare any two unlike fractions with the same numerators. Now we should learn how to compare the unlike fractions with different numerators. Now we should learn how to compare the unlike fractions with different numerators. So like for example 3 by 4, 4 by 5. Here either the denominators are not equal or the numerators are also not equal. So this is the case of unlike fractions with different numerators and different denominators. So now compare these two fractions. First let us write the equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. First 3 by 4, 4 by 5 equivalent fraction. So if you multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, we can get equivalent fractions. First in this 3 by 4. Now 3 by 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 are. First 3 by 4 into 2 by 2. 3 by 4 into 2 by 2. We get 6 by 8. That is equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 are 6 by 8. Next 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. 3 3 is 9. 4 3 is 12. 9 by 12. Next 12 by 16. 15 by 20. So on. Now equivalent fractions of 4 by 5 are. Now let us find the equivalent fractions of 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 2 by 2, that is 8 by 10. 4 3 is 12 by 15. 16 by 20. 20 by 25. 8 by 10. 12 by 15. 15 by 20. 20 by 25 are equivalent fractions of 4 by 5. Now let us find the equivalent fractions with the same denominators. We can find that 15 by 20 and here 16 by 20 and here 15 by 20. These are same denominators. The equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 is 15 by 20. The equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 is 16 by 20. Here these two denominators are same. Now we can compare the numerators, that is 15 and 16. We know that 15 is less than 16. We can write here 15 by 20 less than 16 by 20. And here also we can write 3 by 4 is less than 4 by 5. Why? Because these are two equivalent fractions and these are two equivalent fractions. So 3 by 4 is less than 4 by 5. Okay. So in this way, by finding the equivalent fractions of the given fractions, we can compare two fractions. But sometimes it is difficult to find the equivalent fractions if the given fraction. Then how to compare the two fractions? Now let us take another example. 5 by 9, 11 by 12. So now how to compare these two fractions? So first let us find the LCM of the denominators. Means we have to find the equivalent fractions of these two fractions with the same denominator. So first let us find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, 9, 12. First in 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Then LCM it is equal to 3 into 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. LCM of 9 by 12 is 36. Now in 5 by 9 we take the denominator 9. In 9 how many times we get 36? We make 36. That is 4 times. 9 4s are 36. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number 4. Now in the second fraction denominator is 12. The denominator 12 how many times makes 36? That is 3 times. 12 3 is 36. So we'll multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number 3. Now this equal to 5 4 ja 20, 9 4 ja 36, 11 3 ja 33, 12 3 ja 36. So here the denominators are equal. So when the denominators are equal, then we can get compare the numerators. As we know that 20 is less than 33. 20 is less than 33. So now we can write 20 by 36 is less than 33 by 36. This means 5 by 9 is less than 11 by 12. Okay. So in this way we can compare two fractions by finding the LCM of the denominators and making two fractions like fractions. Okay. Okay friends. Okay students. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and if you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.